Hey there, Pyro Peeps, Dex here with another product video. This is a 200-gram cake by Raccoon Fireworks called Strobing Willow. And this year there's a lot of rave about this Raccoon brand, especially with their Willow effects and their Nishiki Komuro effects. So this happens to be a Strobing Willow. So willows and strobes together, some of my favorite combinations, honestly. So we'll see how this works out. It's a 25-shot cake. You know, performances, just that. There we go, performance. It's gold titanium willow with teal, green, peach, blue, and gold glitter. Which would be the strobes. So, again, these products have been pretty good so far this year. There we go, all 25 shots. So, Strobing Willow, 200 gram by Raccoon Fireworks, 25 shot. Let's check it out. This is going to be Strobing Willow by Raccoon Fireworks. That was fantastic.
Wow.
Beautiful.